Alright. Sige. So, isipin naman po, can we see reaction po? Stop perhaps. Nakita naman po ba? Okay, sige. Thank you. So, okay, so this now is learning path and collection or the core PD courses and the self-directed courses. So may dalawa po kasing kailangan makuha courses or set of courses ang ating mga participants. So allow me to elaborate what these two are and ano-ano yung ma-expect natin dito sa mga e-learning courses na ito. So first is what is a learning path? So this learning path, it indicates specific or series of courses, specific series of courses rather, that a learner must take in a particular sequence. Yun lang po yung ino-note natin. Pag sinabi pong na-assign ang learning path dun sa ating teacher or dun sa ating participant, it must be taken in a particular sequence. So may pagkakasunod-sunod po ito. Okay, so just please take note of that. Kumbaga, eto po, sa mga next slides, papakita ko na lang. Yeah, but before that, ano ba na-access ang learning path? Through the platform, kung sila ay nasa LinkedIn Learning, tatandaan po natin na LinkedIn Learning is a separate page doon sa LinkedIn mismo. Iba po yon kasi di ba yung the LinkedIn itself is a social media platform of a sort for like for example for professionals. Okay? Parang Facebook siya, kumbaga for professionals. Ayan, pasensya na bubulol po ako. Ngayon, si LinkedIn Learning ay hiwalay pa po doon. Okay? So pag nagpasok sila kay LinkedIn na social platform, hindi po nila doon makikita. Kailangan po talaga yung LinkedIn Learning. Okay? As illustrated here. So ito po yung code nila. Ito yung pinaka-logo. Okay? So, ngayon, kapag nasa LinkedIn Learning na sila, meron na silang access, which is later on i-explain yon how to activate. Okay? Ito po yung illustration nun. So pagdating po doon sa pinaka-dashboard nila, makikita po nila itong assigned by DepEd. Then that is a learning path. Kita rin po natin dito. Please take note. Kita po natin dito. It's a learning path. It's a professional development learning. So nandiyan po yung title. And if you notice as well, meron po nakalagay na due. Okay? Yun po yung nakalagay doon. We set this due para lang makita namin kung how responsive participants are. And most likely, in our first set ng na-assign, it's 3 weeks. So kung mapapansin niyo po yun kapag sa inyong mga participants may nag-report, may na-receive po ako ma'am sir na ganito from LinkedIn tapos kailangan ko daw pong tapusin in 3 weeks. So definitely, it has to be done in 3 weeks. Kasi after that 3 weeks, may susunod naman pong set of courses. Hindi po namin sila binobombard o hindi natin sila bibigyan ng maraming courses in one time. May phases din po. Kaya ganun po siya. Okay, I hope that part is clear. All right? So, kung sa email naman po, okay, considering na na-activate na ni ating teacher, ni ating principal, sorry, wala pa po tayong principal at this time yata, ni teacher, okay? Ito po yung email, okay? So they just need to click on this, start learning. And then once that is done, click na po nila, it will automatically lead them to the platform, which is si LinkedIn Learning. Papasok na po kay LinkedIn Learning. Okay? Then makikita na po nila ito. Ito po yung sinend sa email, the Professional Development Journey with LinkedIn Learning. This is the initial course. Dahil dito nila malalaman, matutuklasan, ano si LinkedIn Learning, paano ni i-navigate si LinkedIn Learning, paano nila ma-maximize ang LinkedIn Learning. Nandoon po sa session, dito po sa course na ito, sa learning path na ito. Ayun po ha, para lang maging distinct siya. Okay, and then they click on the start. Ito po. Just please react na lang. Let me know if kung may delay, kung naglalag ako. Because on my end, hindi ko po yun mapapansin. So just let me know. If okay po ba yung pacing ko, can I get a thumbs up? Okay, thank you. Nakita ko na po ang thumbs up. Okay. Pagka-click po nung start, lalabas na po ito. Now, this now is yung sinasabi nating series, yung succession or has to be taken in a particular sequence. So lalabas po, for example, this first one, how to use LinkedIn Learning. This in itself is a course. Okay? So baka ma-confuse tayo. Learning path is a set of courses that is intended for a specific purpose. Meron siyang kung bakit sila magkakalamp, bakit sila yung magkakasama. And there are descriptions also doon naman po sa learning path. Okay? So for example, ito yung first course niya is how to use LinkedIn Learning. So they have to watch, they have to take down notes, okay? I mean to say when to take down notes, hindi naman yung extensive ha. Baka yun po kasi ang maging reklamo ng mga at yun din ang cascade nyo, masabi nyo man ay mag-take down notes daw po kayo sa bawat. Hindi po sa ganon. What we are trying to say is there are information essential that they as learners should be able to determine. Kaya ako nabanggit yung note-taking. Okay? Ganun po yun ang ibig ko sabihin dun sa note-taking na yon. There are certain items that they may find necessary, that they need so that they can further progress doon sa mga susunod. Hindi ko po ibig sabihin na mag-note-taking ay mag-journaling sila o kaya buuin nila yung bawat Hindi po ganon. Kailangan po malinaw po yung communication natin sa mga ating mga participants para ma-appreciate nila. Kasi baka maaaring yun ang worry nila on how we are able to communicate effectively. What is the intention of the program? The intention of these e-learning courses is for to them to develop certain competencies and skills, and we take advantage of the acquired resources. Ganun po yun, mga kasama. Ano po? Sige. So, they delve into, they watch the video on their free time. Okay? I am not just so sure kung meron tayong doon, but perhaps Miss Riza or the team later on can manifest that na after the 2 hours doon pa po, may oras naman tayo doon kung saan nila pwedeng ipasok. Okay? As long as it does not hamper the teaching hours. Okay? Sige. So, yun po ang mangyayari. They have to consume this 1 hour and 15 minutes, then they will now proceed to the next one. Ganon po si learning path. That's how it works. By its succession, by its series. Kung paano po siya magkasunod-sunod doon. Kaya po siya path, learning path. Okay? So, for example, in this learning path, meron po siyang 4. So yun po yung succession. Again, on their own pace, but be mindful of the time. When I mean to say the time, yung gaano katagal siyang available. For example, 3 weeks. Okay? So it's up to our participant to consume, to learn from these materials on their own time in that duration, that range, that date, that set of dates po. Ano po? Kung 3 weeks po ang nakaalat, in 3 weeks, pwede nilang i-consume ito. Okay? And until makarating dito sa dulo makikita nila sino yung mga professionals na ito na naging resource person. Okay? And then kapag nag-click na po sila ng course, sorry, this is just a repeated slide, sorry. Pag nag-click na po sila ng course, ito na po yung lalabas. Okay? Yung how to use LinkedIn Learning. And then there are a series of micro videos. Kung papansinin niyo po dito, 3 minutes, 2 minutes, 1 minute. Okay? Okay? So ganun po siya. For them, really, hindi po siya yung if there are some difficulties sa kanilang access na hindi nila pwedeng maupuan to at one time, and that's fine. Again, they have that liberty as long as it is within that set range of dates. Okay po? Kung 3 weeks po namin na-assign, 3 weeks po yun. Yung 1 hour and something minutes course na yon. Okay? And then if you see on this side naman po, so this is the entire contents. Dito po meron siya ditong AI wherein if they find something interesting that they need to further learn or discover about that particular discussion, pwede po sila dito mag-type ng questions kay AI. So itong generative AI na po na ito, okay, ang siya magbibigay ng responses para natutulungan din silang mag-process. Na ano ba yung ibig sabihin ng ganito? So yun po yung isang feature na pwedeng i-maximize natin kay LinkedIn Learning. Tanungin po natin yung platform o tanungin ng mga participants yung platform kung ano ba ibig sabihin nito. Paano ko ba mapagpalalim pa yung pagkaintindi ko nito? Paano ko siya i-apply sa classroom? Those are possible questions that the AI might be able to answer. Okay. Okay. So, inano ko po kanina yung learning path. Okay? Diniscuss ko po si learning path. Ngayon, kanina nabanggit ko rin po that there are core PD courses and then there are self-directed courses. So, we have to differentiate these two. Pag sinabi po natin core PD courses, completion of this NAEP mandated courses is required. As such, yung learning path kanina na binabanggit ko po. Learning will be assessed through a post-test administered via the DepEd LMS. Please also take note of that there will be an assessment. But for the first or the initial course na na-administer po natin, which is yung about the LinkedIn Learning platform, wala pa po siyang post-test. Just take note of that. Okay? Kasi ang post-test po natin ay nandoon naman sa mga standards-based, PPST-based na mga learning path. Okay? Kasi baka magkasila, ay bakit? Kala ko po ba may post-test? Itong unang inassign sa amin, walang post-test. Again, the post-test is provided doon sa mga PPST-based na courses or learning path na i-assign natin sa kanila o ma-assign po sa kanila. Now, DepEd certificates will be issued only to participants who successfully pass the LMS assessment because we can only provide or administer the post-test via LMS. Okay? Dito po kasi kay platform, kay LinkedIn, wala po silang ganong mechanism to provide DepEd certificates. Yes, they may be able to acquire certificates ng LinkedIn. Okay? Halimbawa, natapos yung course na yon, yung kanina ko pong pinakita. Merong i-issue merong i-release, merong ibibigay, merong isi-send si LinkedIn Learning kay participant na certificate. But that is for LinkedIn Learning alone. Hindi po yun yung sa DepEd. So, paano sila maka-secure ng DepEd certificate? That is through taking the post-test, passing the post-test in the LMS. Okay po? Now, those who do not pass on their first attempt may retake the assessment again. So, later on, pag na-assign na po namin yung mga standards-based, PPST-based courses, those are some questions or those are some facts that you have to explain also to the participants that there is post-test for you to receive a DepEd NAEP certificate. Okay? Now, the other one po is self-directed courses. Now, these courses are provided by NAEAP and can be completed at the participant's own pace. Okay, how is it different from the other one? Based on their preferred schedule after the completion of core programs. So ganito po, papakita ko po sa inyo. If you have questions, I cannot see it. Hindi ko po nakikita right now, but later on we will discuss or will respond to some of these questions. Okay, nawala yung pang next. Ayan. Ay, sorry. Okay, sige. Bago po pala ako pumunta doon sa explanation na yon, kung ano yung isang ano, self-directed, muna pala yung core courses, yung ating learning title. So for example, ito po yung Professional Development Journey with LinkedIn Learning. So ito yung initial po again na sinad namin. The purpose of which is to familiarize participants with LinkedIn Learning Platform and its features. Participants will explore platform's interface, learn how to navigate its vast library of courses, and discover how to effectively search for and access relevant content, so forth and so on. Okay, hindi ko na po i-ano, but I believe this set of slides will also be shared with you. Okay, kasi may time ano rin po tayo. And then kung mapansin niyo po dito, ilan yung courses sa loob niya? May 4. Ito po yung example ko kanina. Gaano katagal siya? It's for 2 hours and 57 minutes. But again, hindi po siya tatapusin ng isang upuan lang. Okay, kasi meron silang 3 weeks to finish this learning path. Okay, that has to be clear to the teachers. Then another, ito yung sinasabi ko po kanina na PPST-based. Applied knowledge of content within across curriculum teaching area. So tinitle na po namin siya doon sa mismong indicator para hindi na po tayo malito. So ito yung pang teacher natin with its description, number of courses, 2 hours, and then total number of hours, 1 hour and 24 minutes. Okay, what's happening? Okay, I'm sorry. Nag-ano lang po. Okay. So yan. So the next set is use a range of teaching strategies that enhance learner achievement in literacy and numeracy skill with 3 courses, 4 hours and 35 minutes. Ganyan. Then another is apply a range of teaching strategies to develop critical and creative thinking as well as HOTS with 3 courses and will run for 3 hours and 30 minutes. Now, again, this will still be assigned to them. Okay? Will be assigned to them. Another is plan, manage, and implement developmentally sequenced teaching and learning process with 2 courses for 1 hour and 55 minutes. And then select, develop, organize, and use appropriate teaching and learning resources, including ICT. 4 courses for 4 hours and 34 minutes. And then design, select, organize, and use diagnostic, formative, and summative assessment strategies with 1 course and 42 minutes. You might be wondering, bakit iba-iba po ng number of courses? Because we made sure we we evaluated what is available in LinkedIn, and it is related, okay, related to our standards, to the PPST, PPSSH later on, and PPSS. Hindi lang po kung ano-ano ang ibinibigay po natin sa kanila. We have evaluated these courses. Oh God, what's happening? Okay. Sige, okay pa po ba yung facing ko po? I think I have to be quick also dahil may next set of discussions pa. Now, for master teachers, okay, because we have master teachers in this particular intake, meron silang learning path na learners, linguistic, cultural, socio-economic, and religious backgrounds. So that's, kung mapansin niyo po, nasa description, PPST strand. Okay? So number of courses is 4 for 3 hours and 16 minutes. Okay. Okay, then the next one is coaching and mentoring essentials. 7 courses, 5 hours and 16 minutes. Leading and inspiring teams. 3 courses, 1 hour and 38 minutes. We will also make sure naman na, equally distributed yung range. Kasi kung napansin nyo kanina, 3 courses yun for 3 weeks, for example. Ito 7 po ito, sir, but 3 weeks din po ba ito? Definitely not. Okay? We will look into how it can be properly given time. Okay? All right. Okay, so the next one is a collection. Okay, kasi yun po yung ano natin, learning path and collection. Just simply to say, para maano rin po, baka kayo'y nalilito na sa terminologies. Yung ating PD core, yung core PD courses, ayan. Ulitin ko po, yung core PD courses, those are learning path or learning paths. Okay? Ang collection naman po, this now is the self-directed courses. Yung binanggit ko po na isa. It suggests content without specific order. Wala pong pagkakasunod-sunod. Okay? And it will be made available for them as well. Okay? So, it's nag-error yung ano.
Dustin, you're on mute. Dustin, can you repeat that part? Thank you.
Okay. Yeah, hello? Am I ano na?
Now you
Audible
can
na?
go ahead. It's okay na. Thank you.
Okay. Which one? The last one?
Yeah, the last part.
Okay. Yeah, so again, this now is the collection. It suggests content without a specific order. And again, just to be clear, para hindi po tayo nako-confuse sa terminologies, learning path, ito po yung core PD courses. Core PD courses. Ang collection, ito yung self-directed. Okay? So again, I didn't know what happened here. But yeah, basically, ito po dashboard din ito at then meron lang din silang i-click-click. Kagaya noong learning path, may makikita sila dito ng collection. Okay? Pag kinlik nila yung collection na yon, ito po yung lalabas, yung library nila. And then they can see here now that there's a recommended or recommendations by DepEd. So ito yun, collection, core behavioral competencies. Okay? About self-management, for example. So this now is a collection that they can take once they are done with the core PD courses. Okay po? So yan, mapapansin po nila yan dyan. Then after that, okay, so sige po, just to be kasi I'll stop sharing muna. I'll refresh this. Baka kaya nag-error kasi I will be ineffective if I'll continue sharing without a visual. So for a while lang po muna ha. Riza, if there are questions or some items that you can discuss muna, I'll just refresh my slides.
Sige. May mga na-list din kami mga questions dito. Alright, so nakikita nyo naman po no, na ang mga courses natin ay number of hours lang. Pero hindi kailangan na isang upuan matapos nila. At may mga courses na 1 hour to 2 hours, ganun po. Kaya yung mga nagtatanong na, mahirap po ba itong e-learning course, kaya yung iba nagba-back out. Please discourage them from doing so kasi minutes, hours lang ang may mga courses tayong gano'n lang 'no. And, ah, hindi po self-directed po, yes, tama po Dustin 'no, choice ng learner po ito 'no. So going back doon sa ating mga courses, as mentioned kanina, hindi kailangan na, hindi mahihirapan ang ating mga learners kasi nga po napaka-ano lang po, napaka-ikli lang nung mga courses at ang ano lang po, hindi naman pipilitin sila na tapusin nila within the day or yung talagang anong hours. Dun sa kanila kasi flexible po ito, ito yung tinatawag na micro-learning. So, sana po ma-explain natin sa ating mga packs ito na hindi po mahirap ang e-learning course at kumbaga mas makakatulong pa nga po sa kanila, very flexible. Alright, so I think Dustin is back. So I'm giving the floor back to you, Dustin.
All right. Okay. Riza, am I visible and
Yeah, we can see you and you're audible. Thank you.
okay, great. Sige. So, let me just yeah, ito yung sinasabi ko po kanina. Okay? So, sorry. This now is a collection. So, makikita po nila ito. Then again, a difference lang din kapag collection siya o yung self-directed, hindi po siya magpa-pop up or magno-notify as email. Okay? Wala po silang notification. Unlike si Learning Path, meron po itong notification, merong email. Si collections po, yung self-directed po natin ay wala. Kasi it is within the platform na that they have to explore. At tama po yun, they can choose. Kasi these are different collections. Kasi may nakagip ako kaninang isang comment na self-directed they can choose. Yes, they can choose this one naman po. Okay. Yeah. So then ito po ulit, yung core behavioral competencies as a collection. When they click that, ito yung lalabas. So if you have noted, yung difference niya from a learning path, yung succession nga niya, okay? Ano yung pagkakasunod-sunod na kailangan nilang i-take. Pero dito kasi, they just choose whichever they want to take, okay? In a kahit mauna po ito, for example, yung learning from failure, wala pong problema. And then ang sunod nila yung prioritizing your task, wala ring problema. Okay? Again, this is a collection. All right. Next. Okay, ano yung self-directed courses natin or yung collections natin? Core behavioral competencies po siya. Okay? As of this time. Yung po yung na-curate namin. So, self-management, professionalism and ethics. Then the next one, ayan. So number of courses available is 5 for 3 hours and 2 minutes. For professionalism and ethics, 5 courses for 3 hours and 11 minutes. And then for results focused, 5 courses then for 3 hours and 1 minute. For teamwork, 5 courses for 3 hours and 46 minutes. And then we have service orientation with 3 courses and for 3 hours and 6 minutes. Okay. So yan po yung difference nila. And I hope it helped you also to explain to the teachers what's the difference, what's the intention of these courses, ano yung expectations. Okay po? Now, just to give you some facts po, kasi ito yung natatanong naman na, the teachers can apply this for PRC through self-directed learning. It is a self-directed learning po. Okay? Meron po tayong post-test at the end of the learning path through LMS. Learning path po, okay, through LMS. Core PD courses are assigned, kaya mo na-notify sa email. Self-directed courses are recommended. Nandun lang sa platform. Sila na yung mamimili. Number 5, there will be other learning path and collections to be offered. Ibig sabihin po, yung diniscuss po namin sa inyo ngayon, yung share po namin sa inyo, ay madadagdagan pa po. Okay? Madadagdagan pa po iyon. Because I believe later on, Ms. Riza, if you could also help me, there is a certain number of hours, tama ba? That our teachers should be able to, so I think, baka yun ay ma-discuss din.
At least 48 po, no? Tapos,
Okay.
within 3 months. Yan. So, mahaba-haba naman talaga yung panahon na pwede nilang gamitin. Matatapos po nila yung course kasi at least 48 hours. They can go beyond if they want.
Yeah. Okay. Thank you for the clarification, Ms. Riza. So, yun po. Kaya kung napansin nyo, ay, sir, hindi pa yata pang 48 hours yung naibigay nyo. Kaya po, there will be other collections and learning paths to be offered. Now, LinkedIn certificates are needed for the LMS assessment. So, as I've mentioned earlier, after each learning path, after each course actually, di ba po, dun sa learning path na yon, meron ma-generate na certificate. Okay, si LinkedIn. Kaya kailangan po ng assessment sa LMS. Core PD courses has a set number of days for accomplishment. Yung sinabi ko po yung range kung 3 weeks, 2 weeks. Then self-directed courses has no set number of days for accomplishment kasi it is available there. So kung if this program, this entire e-learning subscription is for 1 year, so 1 year siyang available. If it is for 3 months, it is available there for 3 months. Okay.
Dustin, just to clarify po, again, 48 hours within 3 months. Ayan,
Okay.
3 months po Thank you.
All right, thank you, Ms. Riza, for clarifying that.
Sned, ang ano nila is August.
Okay,
August.
continuation. So while these courses are presented within a business or corporate context, because that is a fact po, okay? Kaya in-evaluate namin mabuti kung ano yung mag-fit. Ang mahalaga po dito is the participants will be able to understand, apply, and translate the context, put it into context na lang, content into the specific roles and practices. Kasi ang kinukuha po natin dito is yung competency. Yung po yung ine-enrich natin. It might be in a different context, but the platform is offering us na this is how you can encourage feedback, effective feedback giving. This is how you can ask questions effectively. So these are definitely skills to be learned. Okay? Then number 10, finish all core PD courses and self-directed courses before engaging in other LinkedIn courses available in the platform because that is also a fact. Baka po kasi maligaw sila later on pag natutunan nilang i-explore ang platform. Ay, ang dami pala niyang courses. Pwede pala dito yung tungkol sa, for example, AI. Ayan. Pero hindi pa siya recommended. Halimbawa, wala pa sa learning path. Tapos tinake niya yung AI. Kaligtaan niya nang i-take yung iba pang, yung recommended, yung learning path at saka yung collections. Yun ang nakaligtaan niya. Pero kinonsume niya na yung ibang courses na available kay LinkedIn. So, kung ano po yung recommend, ano yung inassign at nirecommend ni DepEd, yun po dapat ang unahin nila bago sila mag-explore at mag-consume ng other courses. Unless naman po na wala pang na-assign sa kanila, natapos na nila lahat. Okay? Kaya nga po yun yung messaging nung number 10. Okay? Ayan. Okay. So with that, I end my my session, agenda session. Thank you. And should there be questions later on, Miss, there is a Q&A portion naman po. And you can comment that
Dustin,
sa ating
Dustin, before you leave, let us answer konting questions muna, a few questions no, that may help them pagdating po sa pagkakascade ng information. So, question po,
sure.
I'll just read some of the questions na na-post nila dito. All right. Dustin, considering na pag nabigyan kami ng, or nabigyan ng activation. Does it mean na kailangan na nilang magsimula at maapektuhan sila if ever hindi nila matatapos yung deadline dun sa mga activated na?
Sorry, hindi ko na ano. So may activated na, tapos, sorry,
Oo.
ano yung...
Kailangan na ba nilang mag-start? Kasi di ba may mga deadline yung mga courses
oo.
na iba?
Ano po yun? Kasi kung na-assign na sa kanila yun, they have to at least finish the initial set. Kasi meron na kaming na-assign. Ngayon, ang ano dyan is by batch kasi. Tama, Ms. Risa. You can confirm what I'm saying. By batch kasi ang upload. So for example, may unang na batch na na-upload na, let's say, 4,000 packs.
Oo.
Nationwide, 4,000 packs. Nag-assign na po kami ng learning path. Then, may dumagdag na...
At makikita nila yun, ano? Makikita yun ng
nila yun.
mismong packs.
May dumagdag na 3,000. Automatic yun, i-assign din namin. But, since they are in a particular class, si 4,000 at saka si 3,000, magkasama sila, it is possible, kaya yun yung isang ano doon, isang trick, kaya challenge. Dahil na-assign na dun sa first 4,000, makikita nila ulit yung assignment ng next 3,000. That's a possibility kasi by batch nga yung pagpasok. Okay? So kaya kailangan din namin, what we're really working on is how to avoid duplicating resending kasi at of this time, wala kaming mechanism pa na makita yon.
Okay. Ganito, Dustin, ano po, at sa lahat ng mga kasama natin dito sa platform, may mga nag-send na po kayo sa amin ng mga names nasa master list at pino-forward naman namin to sa mga nagbibigay na activation. Pero, please inform your participants na to time and again check na lang their emails kasi baka na-activate na sila. So time and again, check their emails para po hindi po sila mahuli. Kasi once given the access, meron na po sila ng courses na dapat i-take na merong mga set deadlines. Ayan po. So, yan po, tama ba, Dustin? Ano? Advice na lang talaga yung mga packs natin. Whether sabihin man nila, ma'am, hindi pa kami nakaka-receive, okay lang yun kasi makaka-receive naman talaga lahat. Alright? At least na-inform kayo. Pero please do not worry. Lahat po ng tama, paano natin masasabing tama? Ang binibigyan lang ng access ay yung nasa master list na pinapasa ng SDO na merong tamang DepEd email address. Magtataka sila, baka hindi sila nasama sa unang batch na bigyan kasi baka walang email address. Aside from that, baka walang undertaking, no? Walang undertaking, that's our number one requirement. Pag hindi signed ng mismong participant ang undertaking. So pag nag-i-ask sila, bakit wala ako sa batch na to? Maybe may mga errors po sa kanilang, yung sa mga nabanggit ko po. Okay, Dustin, kapag nakaipon na ako ng mga certificates, no, sa mga non-negotiable courses, tama ba? Sinabi mo na sa LMS yon?
Yes.
I-upload sa LMS ng DepEd. And we'll give a memo on that maybe in the future para po dun sa, tama po ba? Dustin, no, sa uploading nila sa LMS kasi you have to take a post-exam, right? Post-test.
Yes. So, Riza. So ganito lang, explain ko rin po. Yung Access LMS ay dun sa platform ni LinkedIn. What I'm trying to say is we have a way to place or insert links doon sa learning path. So, dun sa dulo nun, meron dun isang segment na they will have to click that. Kaya tama yung isa ko nakitang comment dito na parang there should be a recording thing. Or PubMats. Yeah, we will do that.
Yeah, we'll do that.
Pag tapos na yung apat, tama, nakuha na nila yung apat na certificate, for example, for each course. Ang next na, ano kasi nun, doon na sila sa LMS. Hindi sila, the link for the LMS ay nasa platform, nasa LinkedIn. Hindi sila hihiwalay ng, mag-access sila ng link ng LMS itself, ha? Hindi ganon. Hindi ganon. Nasa platform yung link ng LMS dahil yung post-test na yan ay exclusive para sa kanila na enrolled sa LinkedIn. So, kahit mag-access sila on their own sa training.gov.ph sa DepEd.gov.ph, yung LMS natin, hindi nila makikita doon yung post-assessment o yung post-test. Kasi ang post-test ay nasa LinkedIn platform that will redirect them to the LMS. Doon nila ngayon i-upload yung kanilang certificates and take the post-test and pass. Okay?
Okay. So sabi nga dito, may mga questions lang. Quickly lang, sorry Dustin ha. Makonti lang naman to. So sabi na may SDO na hindi pa nakaka-receive ulit ng email notification. Please antabay and again, advise your PACs na to check time and again ang kanilang mga email. At talagang uubusin naman po namin, no? By batch kasi ang pagbibigay ng activation. Alright, so nasagot na po natin yung post-test. And then, how long to finish. Okay. Ang ating priority, ang ating batch ngayon ay intake 1. So they're given 3 months, right? Dustin, intake 1. Nagkaroon lang po, it so happen na meron tayong mga packs na kinuha from intake 2. So, yung mga kinuha sa intake 2 or sa intake 3, kasama pa rin sila sa batch ng intake 1. So, they are given 3 months. Tapos, sa susunod naman, meron kaming implementation na naman for intake 2 dapat, no? Meron na po yan, nakalagay na po yan sa supplemental memo. Alright. So Dustin, I guess yun yung mga yung mga nasagot na natin, ano, we'll be giving them updates naman sa submission, and thank you for discussing the content mismo of the program. And then of course, if they do have questions, they can type it in and then we'll just park it pag hindi namin ma-answer, and then we'll, address it pag nakapag-usap na rin po ang team. So because Dustin is in another workshop. So we thank you so much for your time, Dustin.
Yeah.
And
Miss Riza, thank
yes.
you. Just to ano lang din, by the comment of Sir Julius Viernes, yes, we will work on this video tutorial. We will make this available para it will complement also the instructions that you will be giving our teachers, our participants. Ano po?
Yes. Para i-play na lang nila ng i-play or bigay na lang nila instructional videos to follow po yan soon. Ayan.
Yes, we will.
Alright.
Thank you everyone.
Alright, so maraming salamat. So let's move on to the next agendum. Ayan, clearer daw, Dustin, ang iyong discussion. So punta tayo sa ating target or mga submission of participants kasi kailangan po nating ma-hit ang 100,000 na slots. Alright? Oh, yeah, please. I will be giving you we'll be sending video tutorial. But for now, please, kung ano man yung napag-usapan na natin dito, you can relay na, especially doon sa mga meron ng mga, meron ng mga access. Alright, tingnan natin. Ito po, can you see po the screen? Andali lang po, i-share namin saglit. Ano pa? Bibilisan na lang po namin, ha? Alright, ito po ang target natin. So intake 1, nakikita nyo naman po sa National Capital Region. Can you remove this part po so I can see? Ito, I'll do this. Okay. Alright. So, ayan. National Capital Region, meron po tayong, tingnan nyo po yung kulang pa sa NCR. Ayan, Marikina City, please, kung meron po dito focal ng Marikina and ang ating focal ng NCR, please tap po, remind yung ating SDO Marikina po. No? May mawala pa po silang undertaking, wala ding email ads. So nakita nyo po, please capture this. At ano pa yung mga habuli nating intake? Okay? How about those who have not received an activation code? Magkakaroon po yan. Bibigyan po sila kasi yun yung mga numbers na intay-intay lang po per batch po yan na bibigyan ng activation. Alright? So, sa Muntinlupa, ayan po. I will not really read everything pero please capture kung ilan pa po yung kulang nyo. Ayan. Okay. Sige po. Sir Sunny, please send us the master list along with the parang checklist po nung kasama po dun sa column kung meron na silang undertaking, no? So para ma-count na rin po namin sila. Alright. Sa car, ito po yung car. Yan. May mga konti na lang ang kulang ng car. Ay, sa Abra, konti na lang, ayan. So, i-hit po natin. May mga halos wala pa talaga. Like, ito 65, pero 10 pa lang ang pinapasa. Okay, Ilocos Region. Ayan po. Take a screenshot. Take a screenshot po. Sige, we'll check Marikina ha later. Ayan. Tingnan niyo po yung mga SDOs ninyo. Alright, Ilocos. Next po. Yan, sa Ilocos pa remaining divisions ng Ilocos na kailangan habulin pa natin. Alright. Doon po sa mga may waiver, 'di ba meron naman tayon po sa meron tayong enclosure sa supplemental memo na kailangan i-list po natin sila sa list of replacement. Sino ang naging replacement nila? Meron po 'yun eh. Aside from the waiver that you send dun sa mga may sakit or yung mga retired na, nag-resign na, meron tayong replacement sheet. So 'yun po yung gagawin natin. Okay. Cagayan Valley, mabilis po ba ang transition? Nakukuha po ba natin? Ayan. May nagtanong po, pwede po ba kaming mag-enroll para mag-guide namin ang aming mga packs? No need po kasi magbibigay naman kami ng instructional videos plus inform them of the discussion made by Sir Dustin. Tapos, meron din kami mga admin to help them. May mga admin po kami na naka-enroll or naka-register din dun sa mismong platform to help them. So, sa mga focals, no need po to enroll. With what we want really is for you to help us fill the slots. Yan po talaga kasi ang target natin is 100,000. Okay, flash po ulit ang Region 2. Okay? Region 2 is that one is Region 2, no? Alright, sige, yan po. Ang waiver po ay dapat signed ng SBS. Okay, at saka meron po mga important signatories doon, kasama ata ang regional director kasi we have to approve yung sa case nung magwi-waive, no? Meron po dapat na ipipresent, not just because nag-sign na si participants, kailangan ma-ensure din or maano rin po, ma-secure din yung signatures ng mga ng heads, no? So yun po importante. Alright? Sige po. Na-capture naman po. Let's move on. Cagayan. Hanggang Region 2 lang tayo, tama? Region 3 this time. 2. Okay. Sige po. Ayan po alright. Okay. Yan po yung ating mga kailangan na habulin. And let's move on to the next slide kasi meron pa tayong next meeting after with other clusters. May nanghihingi po ng meeting recording. May nanghihingi po ng meeting recording, we will give it to you. Ayusin lang namin po yan. Sige po, flash natin yung ating PubMat. Actually, PubMat to, nakalagay na to sa NAIAP FB page. So yung ating mga participants, please let them like and subscribe our FB page kasi nandun po talaga nakapost yung ating PubMat. Sige, go ahead, Jello. So sorry, Jello.
Ready to dive into a world of new skills and exciting growth? It's quick and easy to get started. Just follow these steps and you'll be on your way to learning something awesome. Whether you're looking to level up in your current role or explore new career possibilities, we've got your back every step of the way. Let's get started. Step 1. Activation. Click the activation button or link sent to your email or LinkedIn notification. Step 2. Create account. If you see this page, select Create a LinkedIn Learning Account. Step 3. Verify email. Enter the email ID where you received your activation email. Verify the code sent to your inbox, and create your account. Step 4. Onboarding. Your account is activated. We'll ask you some onboarding questions. Career goal. Some learners will be asked for their career goal. Skip option. You can skip onboarding by clicking the X in the top right corner. Step 5. Job title. Tell us your current job title to help personalize your learning experience. Step 6. Skill selection. Select the skills you are interested in learning. If you've specified a career goal, LinkedIn Learning may recommend top skills. Step 7. Weekly learning goal. Set a weekly learning goal to track your progress. You can update this anytime. Step 8. Course recommendations. Based on your inputs, LinkedIn Learning will recommend a few courses to kickstart your learning journey. You're all set up and ready to go. Your e-learning journey has officially begun, and we've got some great courses lined up just for you. Start exploring, learning, and growing at your own pace. Your next big skill is waiting. Let's make this learning adventure fun and rewarding.
Right, okay. Sige po. Again, ito may tanong po dito, paano ma-update kung mali ang email sa intake 1. Yung sa master list po na pinapasa ng mga SDOs, meron na po sila na po ang mismo nagtatama, nagpo-provide ng email addresses po. No, tinatama na po nila. Kasi yung pinadala ng CO, chine-check po nila, tapos doon po, from the submitted ones, nandun na yung tamang email addresses. Ang focal po. So sa focal po kayo magsabi or sa regional focal kayo magsabi para madiretso sa amin. At meron din doon kung saan kukuha. Kukuha lang tayo, wait for kung may iba pang instruction, we'll let you know, no? Pero ngayon, kung kulang ang PACS, kukuha lang tayo sa list ng intake 1 or intake 2 or intake 3. Wala na tayong ibang kukunan. Please wait for further instructions. At hindi naman magpo-proceed po, no? Going back, hindi naman magpo-proceed kung hindi tama ang email address na provide nila. So let us know, please contact your focal. All right? Pag may further instruction pa kami, that's why this is just the start of our meeting. Mas maganda lagi tayo may meeting. We'll have a series of meeting and we'll let you know, maybe sa next meeting natin naka-memorandized na siya. It's just that kailangan lang natin talagang mabilisan na makontakt kayo dahil may mga nabibigyan na ng access at dumarami na yung tanong pagdating sa mga wala pang access and paano i-navigate yung platform. All right. Okay. So let's move on to our next slide. So ways forward natin, target completion of slots. We gave you po the list or the updates. Ang target po natin ay ang completion is until February 28, 2025. Na-move na to, no? So giving our SDOs again to complete the slots until February 28, 2025. Again, yan po ano. And then please attend our next focal coordination meeting. We welcome SDOs to attend. Mas maganda nga po na simulan nyo talaga, no? Para mas klaro at hindi iba-iba ang interpretation natin na ibibigay sa ating mga facts. Okay. As to the other details, importante po na meron kayong copy ng ating supplemental memo. Kasi nakalagay din yung support mechanism. Paano po matatapos ng mga ayaw ng mga PACS? Kasi ang hirap, wala silang oras. Again, it's flexible. And the ROs and SDOs and school heads are advised to strongly support the participation of the selected scholars in the program. So they are advised to implement arrangement to support the participation of the teacher scholars in the e-learning courses available for this purpose, including the same part of teacher ancillary tasks. Ito yung pinaka-importante banggitin ko. The school heads are encouraged to allow the teacher scholars, nakalagay ito sa memo po, na signed memo, to use a portion of the 2 hours allocated to teacher ancillary tasks every day for their participation in the e-learning courses, which may be spent within or outside school premises. However, the number of hours spent for this purposes shall not exceed 2 hours per week. Teacher scholars shall not be required to submit documentary evidences or accomplishment reports on how the 2 hours of the ancillary tasks were spent outside school premises. Ang mahalaga po yun yung support natin sa kanila. Para sabihin nila na wala silang time, ito na po ang sagot ni dyan sa tanong na yan. Pwede na po ba mag-enter ang SDO focal sa link? Hindi po pwede. Kasi po ang pwede lamang po ay meron kami sa OD po, no, ang in charge system in coordination with your regional focals. Ayan. Okay, regional focals. Hindi po isang upuan lang, no, ang ating courses, pwede balik-balikan at mga lang talagang bite-sized lang yung mga programs natin. Ayan. So, we invite you again we encourage you to attend sa ating mga susunod pang meeting so that talagang malinaw tayo. And as we promise, we'll give you this video recording. Pero please, balikan nyo And at the same time, we also promise that we'll give you tutorial videos. Pero, for the meantime, yung navigation, available po yun sa NEAP FB page. Tulungan natin ang ating mga packs. Ayan po. At intay lang po dun sa mga packs na nasa master list na at hindi pa nabibigyan ng access. Sabihin niyo po sa kanila na i-check lang po, i-check kanilang emails. And please do check our memos, mga na-release na nating memo on this. So, maraming salamat for attending our meeting. We're going to meet with other clusters sa South Luzon naman, Visayas and Mindanao. So I think we should end this meeting, and we thank you so much for your participation. Maraming salamat po sa inyo. Thank you po. Thank you so much, Nayat, and thank you so much, of course, SDOs and our counterparts. Thank you, DP. Please coordinate, keep in touch with your regional focus for further information and guidance.
Thank you, Riza. I'll be available for the next batch then.
Thank you
Just
so
to make
much,
it shorter.
Dustin.
I think I
That
did
will
overtime.
be
Pasensya na
at
po.
11 a.m.
Okay.
So
sige,
you can
sure.
breathe. Thank you. Bye, everyone. Huwag mo muna